Hi everybody, let me tell you about me and let me give you some information regarding your career options and taking an informed decision about your career choices. Friends, my name is Dr. Arun Khatri. I am working as Associate Professor in School of Management here in Presidency University, Bengaluru. I am an expert in information systems, information management, digital transformation and digital business. I've been working for last 16 years. I've worked for reputed universities like MIT University, Noida. I have done PhD in 2013. I am by graduation I am BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and I am now doing fellowship courses in MDI, Gurgaon. Right. So see why we are here. Why you should have a look at the career of your choice, what is happening in the market actually, and what is the best institution and university to pursue that particular course. So why this Presidency University in Bengaluru? See, I have worked in so many institutions, so many universities. There is a difference why I have joined this university. In the morning we were having an workshop based on outcome based education. So that is a superb thing happening here, especially in our university. We have started, we are on the verge of starting CBCS in the coming session or coming semester. So these things are coming together and they are giving enough of liberty to the students to choose the courses, to choose the teachers, and to choose the latest things which are happening out there in the market. If you look at the market around, everything is right now it is evolving on the digital platforms. So you look at the recent IPO of Zomato, you look at the coming IPO of Paytm, you look at how Jeff Bezos, you look at how Elon Musk, how they people are creating wealth and serving humanity. So the crux is which are the courses which will be in demand in the future. See, one of the best thing coming out in MBA is the digital transformation and digital business, and it is happening throughout the globe. You look at the Harvard, you look at the Oxford, you look at IIMs, they are all offering one or other form of either digital business or digital transformation. You cannot live in the future without these offerings. So here we are offering you MBA in digital transformation. And what is that? See, digital transformation, if I give you a small introduction in this limited time, it is like the conversion of the conventional way of doing things on digitally based platforms. Like somebody was delivering you letters, somebody was delivering you some packets, some delivery boy was delivering you something. Now the drones will be delivering you the packets. Sometime you imagine that some machines are the machines are producing the cars, machines are producing some materials. Now you can imagine the automatic machines, the concept of IoT is coming, Internet of Things is coming. Now machines are connected together. They need a very least human interferences. The concept of defect will be passé. There will be zero defect with 3D printing. So all these things are coming together and they are being I'll say they are at the core of digital transformation. So anybody, if you are interested in how the world will be transformed, especially in the corporate sector, digital transformation course is there for you. There you learn the courses like Industry 4.0, digital transformation and strategy, and that too in the most vibrant and most happening campus of Presidency University, where you will find lots of things happening around you, lots of activities happening around you, and the network of the recruiters is just superb. You don't have to look here and there. You just believe in your teachers, you just believe in the university working for you, and you are through to get a job. So all the best and have a good career.